Hey everyone, it's Adam from Outlier. You would know that because you were on the Outlier channel. I am going to show you one of my favorite things, and it's how to use some new metrics within Outlier, specifically on assists and specifically on rebounds, to build yourself a nice little ladder. All right? Join me. We are going to go on an adventure. Oh, look at that. Actually, let me make my head bigger. That's it. I love it. Oh, I look great. All right. So, assists and rebounds. Let me get threes out of here. Outlier recently added potential assists and rebound chances. So that kind of gives you a sense of ceiling. What I like to do when I'm doing a ladder is let's find a guy who's had stuff for a while. We want to go on the over. Let's find somebody who's been kind of crushing an over lately. All right, we got Derek White. We got this. All right, let's do this. Look at this one. Oh, you know what? Great example. Fred VanVleet. Perfect. Okay. VanVleet over 7.5 assists, minus 140. We've got that as a base. Put that in there. Now here's what's going to be a lot of fun. So I like to do alt lines and I like to make things a little bit more even money. So I'm going to do this. I move a slider. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to look at Fred VanVleet and check this out. Okay. So there's his 8, there's his 9. There's his 9 assists and there's his 10 assists. And you know, we can mess around with it. But here's why it's fun. So look, I can go down here and I can see his potential assists that when he has gotten 9 assists, his potential averages are 14 per game. He's basically done it in nearly every game except for this last one. That makes this, to me, something that I want to add. So I'm added that in. And let's keep going on this ladder because his head-to-head. Oh, look at that. He had 10 against Portland the last time he played him. Boom. Going to add that in there, a little bit of a ladder. And let's try to do the exact same thing, but let's do it with rebounds. Let's see. Move this back to the baseline. We will do this. All the alts are in here. Let's see. You guys get to watch me do this live, which is kind of fun. Okay. Cool. Here is this. These are all pretty high price. Okay, cool. How about this one? How about John Collins? Let's do John Collins. Okay. John Collins hasn't been really great this last few games, and his rebound chance has actually gone down. You're actually live seeing me note that John Collins is probably not a good option. Let me see something else. I'm gonna look. Ooh, Siakam. Siakam could be good. Let's do it. All right. So Siakam's baseline, it's 7. Boom. We add that to our little cart here. Let's kind of move back and go to. I'm putting in Pascal Siakam. I am making this even money because I want to get a little plus money out of this ladder. So we have his eight rebounds in there. And now we have his 9 rebounds in there. And what we want to look at is look at the rebound chances. He's averaged 14 rebound chances over his last 10 games. Over his last 5 games, he's averaging 14.4. Look at that. So all we need him to do is get 8. The fact that these are in here is really helpful because this is going to tell you kind of what his ceiling is. He could have gotten as many as 20 the other night. He could have gotten as many as 13 the other night. So we're going to add this in here. And we are also going to add in this one here. He hasn't played the Clippers, so we can't have that in there. You know what? Let's go for it. Fun ladder that goes all the way up to 12. So now what you're seeing here is I got them all on my cart. I could show you that. Boom. So look, big picture. You can take potential assists to know what someone's ceiling is. You can take rebound chances to understand what someone's rebound ceiling is. Use those and use the sliders to figure out how you can make a baseline bet into a little bit extra plus money and a nice little ladder. Shawn Michaels and Razor Ramon aren't the only people to have good times in a ladder match. You can have fun with a ladder as well. I'm Adam. Thank you again for stopping by and good luck with your bets this week.